Now we're going to demonstrate the new and patented Qwik Draw Power Steering Fluid Exchanger. Before performing the service, we are going to test the fluid quality in the power steering system. This car has approximately 50,000 miles, and this power steering fluid sample, as it shows in the chart, indicates that the sample fluid is overdue. So we're going to change the fluid by performing a power steering flush, comparing to the sample which we took out of the power steering system. To fill the tank 2 with new power steering flush, first, release the wing nuts and open the lid. Put the funnel in the 2.5-inch opening. Add the new power steering flush. Then close the lid. Second, hook up the shop air. Third, we're going to vacuum out the old fluid from the power steering reservoir first by turning the main green valve on. The needle on the compound gauge is moving down. It indicates that the vacuum is building up in the old fluid tank, and the new fluid gauge is moving up. The pressure is building up in the new fluid tank. Fourth, open the black valve on the twin gun to vacuum the old fluid. After we empty the reservoir, add the cleaner. Fill it to the top. For your safety, push the foot brake down to stop it from rolling, and that will not restrict the machine from turning around. Fifth, start the car. While cleaner is working its way through the system, turn the steering wheel once to the left, then turn the steering wheel once to the right. Sixth, insert both small hoses into the reservoir. Put the short one to the maximum fluid indicator level and start the flush. Turn the green valve on. Turn the black valve on first, then the red valve on second. You can see that the exchange is working right now. At the same time, while we're performing the service, turn the steering wheel once to the right, then once to the left, and back. We can see through the hoses and the tanks that the old fluid is vacuumed out and the new fluid is drawn in at the same time till the fluid flow stops. Seventh, turn both valves off. The black is old and the red is new. When the service is completed, hang up the twin gun right inside the gun holster. Now we're going to check the oil level. It's exactly where the maximum level is. Now let's check the power steering fluid sample. The results showing that the power steering fluid is like new again. When the service is completed, turn the green valve off. After the service is completed, we're going to show you how to dispose the old fluid into the waste container. First, turn the green valve on. Second, turn the orange valve to disposal position. Insert the twin gun in the waste container. Then turn the black valve on to dispose the old fluids into the proper waste container. With this special hold pressure feature on the Qwik Draw machine, you can disconnect the shop air and still dispose all old fluid without attendance to save you time and energy.